Hello all, welcome to our channel. Who are watching first time, please watch the video will be end of the video. Watch clearly, understanding will be step by step. Each and every we can discuss in the particular video. Now, I'm looking for my business call by using Facebook option. Previous video I'm discussed already. What are the video you can publish will be here along with call button upload on your particular Facebook page option. Already, what are the campaign I'm creating will be here. Select this particular campaign. Every campaign will be three finish will be given. First option, open your campaign. First you select by your particular option name is called. What are the audience you will be selected will be here. That is the first option. So that will be first option will be created by the each and every one. Second one is call. You can select your call option, WhatsApp option, which is you will be select by this option will be here along with your particular audience. After that age people you will be target. So this will be, and target will be up to, we can visible this will be up to 50 years one. This will be publish it. Third condition, which video we can uploading in your particular Facebook option, Instagram option. Select this particular video by show your particular identity. Click for change your post. Here is the option will be here. Click this and click for your particular continue option will be here and it will be show your particular things. So here is that we can click here in an option will be in this. So we can, here it is, create add existing, change post will be here. Here is the item will be selected. What are the your posting will be content, feed and everything, reel, select your video, click for post and click for, here is the option. In this after selecting will be here. What are the parameter you can add will be here that you can add your particular option. Suppose it is not accepting your particular call button or anything, you can changing for your new campaign option will be applicable. So this is right now, it will be facing some problem will be here. Edit, they can identity will be here. What are the posts you will be added in this? We can accepting for both profile identification will be compulsory important. So here is this. What are the posts you done by in this? So click here. It is option. I'm resolve this problem will be here. The collaborator will be here. Just go to campaign, click for awareness campaign. Add your campaign will be here. Click for first of all awareness campaign option. Next, we can add your specific budget. Select your particular audience. Which location will be selected will be here. In a particular location, you can drop your pin. That is called your particular area you will be selected here. How much distance you can clear the particular picturization. Just click here. For the Uppal road will be here. Add this. We can selecting for particular radiance purpose. We have to use will be in a particular option is the machine should important. After this, click for next. What are my existing posts? Already we can show you a call now button. Select your same button will be option here. This is visible by the Facebook and Instagram page. Click it. The option name is called use existing post. Select your particular post option. It will show will be Facebook, Instagram and here. Now click for Facebook here, which is selected by in this option. Click here and it will be visible by the call now option what we can given by the particular audience. As a call now button will be here. Click for publish this. This is a particular campaign will be created particular audience will be used option name is called call now button. After adding call now button, it will be activate coming soon will be here. So what are the campaigns you will be running in this? Select by the particular campaign and go to the billing option. What are the billing you will be added here? The campaign must and should important. If you are not adding for billing 0, the campaign will be shown to the customer will be account error. After adding for billing errors, so that I'm adding for billing option will be here. Click for billing. What are your payment option will be in this? So same will be added here. Click for UPI payment. They will be use your particular UPI code or you can using for scan option. Both can will be available. Get the QR code. What are the code will be here? Select your particular code and scan will be applicable. Just you have to wait for the certain seconds. So it is. So we can payment will be selected here. Just scan the code. So once your payment will be done, so automatically the screen will be redirected to the payment option will be finished. Done this one. Now added your particular budget. They will show your particular ad option. So this is running for 2 ads. Everything will be here paid. After that, go to the campaign option. Here it is called, which is the ad setup will be stop here. Go to that ad setup. What is your budget will be here. So everything will be enable it. So we can reach your particular audience will be daily budget will be 150 rupees. Now click for publish. Now click for in this new awareness campaign. What are the campaign you will be created? That is a show to the particular customer in a particular video. Click for publish it. So it will be turn on publish your particular campaign option. So which is a campaign you will have to run it. It will be show will be published on your particular things and act your particular ad option. So this is the ad you can create it by the based on your Instagram, Facebook purpose. So those steps we can follow it and create ad by the particular audience. So right now it will be show you will be no ads. After processing will be finished, they go to review and started by the people will be reach your particular ad purpose. So those steps you can follow it. Create ad will be existing post by using call now button option. If any further question, you can contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.